Good day, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel. I'll be showing you how to scan your RF to HDMI decoder. Now this TV is from the US, so they don't have this RF port. So we need this decoder. So the first step, you take your remote, you locate your menu button. After locating your menu, look for TV menu and take audio scan. After audio scan, you take normal scan. That's it.
So that is the scan, audio scan. Now, audio and manual scan, there are two different scans. The manual scan means you are inputting the frequency of each particular channel, but the audio scan means it scans it automatically and gives all the frequency.
Toujours reste.
My thanks to Chappie and Sinica. The Catalana again punches it out for avec un devis.
So this system is it passes through your dish. So you take channels from the decoder, pass it from the decoder to your RF modulator, and from the modulator to the speaker. That is how we can get this ATV channel. And those channels there are analog channels. You understand? So that is it.
Please like, share, and subscribe.